Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine and got time to do everything you said you would.
Hello ladies, and welcome to another weekly prep of a working mom, where we are basically going to try to catch up on all the housework and get ready for the week ahead.
Of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar.
So as you can see, it's 4:25 on a Thursday, and the house is a little out of it. This is all dog stuff. Some stuff here, 2 loads of laundry to fold, bunch of stuff on the island. I need to prep some food because we are running out. I need to cook dinner, get some extra use up ground turkey that I have, and I also have chicken, so I have ground turkey here. I need to make some meatballs for my son, and I also have some chicken that I have not used somewhere here. Right here, that needs to be used. And then I need to cook dinner from HelloFresh. So it's kind of like a catch-up day. I basically am starting my weekly routine on a Thursday evening this week because I have a lot of stuff to catch up on. I have not done basically any cleaning like I like to do, a little bit each day. So tomorrow is my working day. I want to basically just get started this evening. So this is kind of a routine during a very busy week. Today it's a little bit easier. My kids, actually, they may or may not go to an after-school activity because my husband had to pick up our car that was getting fixed. So depending on what time he gets back, either we're gonna go or not. So right now they're playing. I'm gonna get started on prepping the food. And as I prep the food, I'll try to kind of start cleaning up this mess. So the very first thing I was doing is preparing the Brussels sprouts. All I use for Brussels sprouts is some salt, pepper. I added some garlic and some olive oil, and I just mix it up, and I did put it on the baking sheet and put it in the oven. I think it was 400 degrees, probably for about 20 to 25 minutes. And while that was roasting in the oven, I did started making the meatballs for my son that he likes to eat each evening with his macaroni and cheese. Yes, he's definitely a creature of habit, so I try to switch it up a little bit from here and there, but I sometimes add some shredded zucchini, but I didn't have any on hand and I really needed to use up that meat. So those were just your typical meatballs. I do add an egg, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, ground garlic, and then also some onion as well.
When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you.
If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Marta, and you're going to find a lot of content about house and time management for working moms. So lots of routines, lots of systems, lots of just content that is meant to be encouraging and motivating, as we are all trying to balance between work and life, and it's most of the time not in a perfect way, and that is completely okay. So if you are new here, make sure that you subscribe down below and join our small community.
You told me I'd try to change it all, but look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are, and I just know things will never be.
And my husband did come back in time for us to go to the taekwondo class, so that's what we ended up doing. So I didn't get to do much more than cook the food that particular day. And next day after work, my priority was to prepare goodie bags that I was in charge of for my daughter's class from her Polish school. So they were graduating kindergarten that next day on Saturday. So what I wanted to do is I already had all the stuff for the goodie bags, but I wanted to put just a little extra touch on them. And I was cutting out graduation hats out of just a black paper, and I was putting some ribbons on it and stapling them into the goodie bag. So you're gonna see that in a few moments. But I don't know if they came out like graduation hats or houses. I don't know. I kind of could see it both ways. So hopefully the kids got the idea that that was meant to be a graduation hat.
The same, we're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same.
And let me know in the comments, do you like doing things like that? Like something that's a little crafty, something for your children's school or for yourself, like anything like scrapbooking, anything crafty. I feel like I am depending, I guess, on the time. Sometimes I really enjoy it. Sometimes I feel like I am not creative enough for that. So it kind of comes in phases for me. But let me know how you feel about being crafty and if you have time to really enjoy that, if that is your hobby.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. We crossed them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just.
And I'll be honest, I did not realize how long this is going to take me. I had to cut out all the graduation hats, then I had to punch holes in them, then I had to put those two ribbons. So the reason why I am putting those ribbons is I wanted something like, to look exactly like a hat. And I thought since this is a Polish school, the colors of our flag are white and red. That's why the idea for the ribbons. But for some reason in my head, I thought it's not gonna take that long, but it still did take quite a while.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the park. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken?
So just so you know what we are putting inside. Our budget was about $12 a child. So what I have in a bag was a coloring book that I got from a Dollar Tree. I had a book that we got. I think the book was the most expensive one. It's kind of like a tradition back in Poland where I was in a grammar school that at the end of the year you got, books to read. So they have a book for kids, and then they have some snacks. So they had two kind of like chocolate bars that we got in our local grocery store. So I think they turned out pretty cute, but probably not the best crafty person they're out there, but I think it will do for kids who are 5 and 6 years old. Okay, so before I put it away, I wanted to just show you what I got from Target. So for my daughter, they have a lot of shorts now, and like skirts with shorts. And for the first time, I'm actually seeing them with a string, which if you have a child like mine, anything that doesn't have a string on it, it's just too big for her. So I got her those to try out.
Oh, and this one. I got her, she wanted some twisters for her ponytail. Or $5. Everything actually was, let's see. So they're like $6, and right now they have 15% off for anything from Cat and Jack. So I got those 2 shirts. She loves unicorns, so I thought it would be perfect for summer. And the rest of the stuff is for the clothes for my son. So I got him just 2 of those shorts. I think they have them on sale. I can't remember what it was the price. I think it was $8 right there. And then I just got some shirts. I wanted to get like a couple, like to go along with the shorts. Well, maybe not this combination, but even this one would work. Just for church when it gets warmer, something a little nicer with like a little pocket. Few of those, they had them for $4. So I decided to, originally they were $7 and they had them for $4. So I decided to get this one, and I think there is a white one somewhere there. And just a few of those shirts. Some of them were $6, some of them were $5. So they had some sale going on. So yeah, just a few. I typically like them without any graphics. So these are like exceptions. I like them more plain, but he likes like planets and moon and all that stuff. So I make few exceptions. So yeah, just something for the summer. So he can wear this with a hoodie instead of like a undershirt. And I also got some masks for my son. He really likes the ones from Cat and Jack. And now that he is full-time back to school, I wanted to make sure he has some extra ones because, he wears them all day. So I feel like I need to wash them every single day. And I also got 2 pairs of shoes for my daughter. They were $10. Just an easy, like a slip-on I got her one for playing outside and one a little nicer and brighter. So that's what we got in Target.
How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
And as I was talking before, how time consuming the gift wrapping was, or preparing of those favors, this is another task that I feel like is taking absolutely forever. Getting rid of all the tags and the little tags inside the shirt because my kids will not wear it with any sort of tags. And I feel like there's so many of them, and sometimes it's so difficult to remove, which I'm guessing that's the idea so people don't steal it. But still, let me know if you find yourself in a situation where you have to cut out both the price tags and all the tags that are inside of your children's clothes. Or is it just me?
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
And after I came back from church, so I usually go to church on Saturday evenings or like late afternoon. When I came back, that's why you see the outfit change for I don't know which time in this video. I wanted to go through my son's closet and take out anything that was too small for him. So I do exchange my clothes or my kids' clothes with my sister-in-law and then with my sister as well. So I go through them quite regularly and take out anything that was too big. And I thought since I got him some new clothes from Target earlier that day, I thought that would be a good opportunity before I put more stuff into his closet to kind of go through what he already has and take out anything that is no longer fitting him.
we are on Sunday. So my routine of catching up did not go as I planned on it going. In one sense, and in the other sense it did. So I started the video on Thursday, I did some work. I did some work on Friday. Yesterday, I really didn't do much as far as like cleaning. I did prepare some stuff for my kids for their last day of Polish school. So they were like the gift cards or not the gift cards, the gift baggies you saw. And afterwards, we just basically ended up playing outside. So not much got done except for the laundry. So today is Sunday, like I said, it's 10:40. We have soccer game for my son in the afternoon. After that, we're gonna go to the play park. So we're still gonna spend some time outside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a list of things I need to do today to get ready for the week ahead. It's not gonna be very extensive list because I don't have that much time left. So it's gonna be basically the minimum I need to get done to kind of not struggle during the week. And then next weekend is my longer weekend because I have a Friday off. So that's when I'm gonna kind of make up for anything I didn't do this week. So I wanted to make sure I share this video because not every weekend is the same. And even when I have the best of intentions, things still don't go the way that I planned. So, but we're gonna catch up and do as much as we can.
So the list is probably still too long and you're gonna see at the end that I didn't quite make it, but I put in whatever I would feel really happy with. But still, in the end, I was still semi-happy with the end result. Some weekends are just like that no matter how hard I try, things just don't get done the way that I want them to be done. But I have to remember that, the reason why they didn't happen is because we had such a good weather and it was just a shame not to take advantage of it and just spend some extra time with kids. So I'm not upset about it. I just know it's sometimes, I feel more productive than other weekends. But at the same time, some weekends are just the priority is just somewhere else, and that is perfectly fine. So I'm putting away some things we got from Costco earlier that day. Right before we were going for the soccer game for my son, I went to Costco and I grabbed just a bunch of things. So I put away all the things that needed to be refrigerator as soon as we got back. And then after the game, I'm just putting away, all the fruit and all the things that, could wait a little bit longer. So clearly I have not done everything, but like I said, it's fine. The command center got done later on. Menu, even though I didn't create it, I created one list for the whole month. So I just took some stuff from there. So it worked out in the end. I hope you did enjoy this video, that it gave you some motivation and encouragement that you don't have to finish everything on your list for you to feel at peace and feel productive and prepared for the week ahead. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.